Attention, all bosses in the medical industry. We help you efficiently solve the challenges of custom sampling for your medical device enclosures. Professional medical grade ABS material. CNC precision machining. 72-hour rapid prototyping. Medical device enclosures, precision components, rehabilitation equipment prototypes. Surface treatment supports processes such as painting, electrowave, and more. Perfectly replicate the appearance effect. Professional team oversees the entire process, ensuring medical grade quality. Urgent orders are prioritized for production and processing solutions are provided free of charge. Click to inquire for more discounts.